Hi, glitter critters! It's Breland here, and welcome back to another EOS DIY.
I love Preppy Kitchen.
I love his kitchen.
I love Preppy Kitchen.
Okay, she's literally up. Nerve is popping. It's fine.
I hate the way these American and other people eat naan with
Naan
bread. With basmati rice.
basmati
And
rice
butter
and
chicken,
samosa.
butter chicken, sweet ass
samosa,
butter chicken.
समोसा के अंदर बटर चिकन की
हाँ,
ग्रेवी
कुछ भी
डाल
डाल
देती।
My favorite perfume. This is My Way from Giorgio Armani.
मैं तो इतनी गरीब हूँ मैं बोल भी ना पाऊँ। George Washington.
You're dated, got married, had a baby, and you're posting also.
I didn't even know that dating was a requirement.
Yeah,
I
prerequisite.
thought kissing and rubbing bodies made babies.
Hi guys, I'm Dhritika.
I'm Srishti.
I'm Sanjana.
And I am Zia.
And we are Besharam.
Also, hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel.
And in today's episode, we are going to be talking about our favorite YouTubers we grew up watching gone horribly wrong.
And before you start, press the link in our description box to buy our merch. Not yet, but soon enough if you want that.
And while you're at it, please subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon, and comment on our YouTube videos of all of them. And let's get into the video right now.
Let's get started.
Here is when a cool transition happens and we come
With
to the
a-
actual
with a-
video.
With a background music that's like very famous. Like
You
a
remember
closer
how the-
mashup.
Yeah.
How
Or
like
like Lean
Jeffree
On.
Stars and Mania MUA had their intro, like it was like something was melting.
Yeah,
Like,
yeah.
I love
James
how
Shah's
each like category, if it was like a makeup video, it used to be like If it had like a DIY.
That took me back,
I
dude.
know. Like,
But speaking of the internet, you know how we grew up with like weirdly very unsupervised access to the internet.
Yeah.
Made me see things that I should not have seen at that age. But you know what? The vibes are the vibes, and
Yeah.
it helped me build a lot of character.
it shaped us
Yeah,
to who we
yeah.
are today. Honestly.
Yeah, and
honestly.
it was not. A lot of times it was very PG-13 because I was a darpoke kid, but other times it was like shit. Like I'm 14 and pregnant, and I'm like,
Whoa.
how?
Oh.
Whoa.
Like, first of
okay.
all,
What?
You had the balls to do it, and second of all, you had the balls to like
Upload
upload
a
it.
video.
But
Yeah.
Exactly.
I'm sitting there, I'm 11 years old. Do what? I'm thinking कि 14 साल में इसकी शादी कैसे करवाई?
Yeah.
मैं ये सोच रही हूँ ना.
So
मतलब मैं
y'all-
तो
Y'all dated, got married, had a baby, and you're posting also.
I didn't even know that dating was a requirement.
Yeah,
I
prerequisite.
thought kissing and rubbing bodies made babies.
Same.
Mm.
Same.
Rubbing bodies, but that was तो थोड़ा बहुत मतलब बॉलीवुड में इतना तो
हाँ.
बता ही देते थे.
हाँ.
Even though my mom asked me to shut my eyes. अगर ऐसा थोड़ा ऐसा मिलाया तो फिर
But this is completely different than what I and Dhritika grew up watching.
Yeah, I agree.
Yeah.
Completely different.
I
Both
agree.
of us would watch like sketch comedies.
Yep.
BB Ki Vines.
BB Ki
Y'all,
Vines, Ashish Chanchlani.
Filter Copy, bro.
Filter
I
copy.
think
All of us have grown up
Y'all-
watching Filter
yeah.
copy.
Y'all grew up watching more of the Indian YouTubers, and I know Zia and I
Yeah,
grew up
yeah.
watching
Yes.
like on the American
Internet.
side.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah, it's not like not to say that we didn't watch like Filter Copy and
Yeah,
like
yeah.
mostly Sane and
BuzzFeed
stuff
India
like that.
mostly.
I used to
Yeah.
love BuzzFeed.
Love
BuzzFeed
BuzzFeed
India.
India.
I was like, once I grow up, I want to work at BuzzFeed
Bro,
India.
Oh my
same,
God, yes.
Same.
Yes.
I
Like,
had.
I want
yes.
to create content for them.
I had.
Yes.
Turns out it's a horrible.
Oh yeah,
Oh,
BuzzFeed
yeah.
is like a horrible
Yeah,
company
yeah.
for
Damn
that, but
toxic.
yeah, anyway.
But bro, I had like crush on Shayan for the longest time. Shayan
Shayan
Roy.
who likes
Shayan
peri
Roy.
peri fries.
Shayan
Yeah, yeah.
Roy. No, bro.
The
he
way that
cannot-
he's defined by peri
he
peri fries.
cannot handle spice, bro. He starts crying when he has
Yeah.
spicy food. But he's
He's
damn
that
cute.
Bengali
He's
guy,
that
na?
Bengali
Yeah,
guy.
yeah,
yeah.
yeah.
I know.
I used to like his content.
I used
Yeah.
to like his mom.
Yeah, his
She
parents
was
were damn.
cute,
His
yeah.
parents were damn cute.
Yeah.
Very cute. Very cute. I used to just engross myself in these people's lives, and I used to live somewhat vicariously
Oh,
through them.
definitely.
Yeah.
And it was such a unique experience as a kid. It was like first generation getting to watch YouTubers that were not like celebrities. That was like you were relating to them. They were just like you. You know, they also used to get up at 12 and like
Yeah.
not eat, or maybe like eat like a very heavy breakfast and then
Yeah.
sleep for the rest of the day. And
Bro,
Or
some of them
then-
were our age.
Yeah.
And that was so crazy to watch people our age create content like that on
I feel
Such a big
YouTubers back
platform.
then, they didn't have any premise on what they had to work with.
right.
So they were also figuring it out as and when they were going.
Yeah,
But
yeah.
YouTubers now, the game of YouTube has completely changed
Completely.
now.
Yeah.
And people know what they're doing. They're getting into this knowing what to expect.
Right.
And like approaching this as a career.
Yeah,
But
yeah.
back
Yeah.
then, people were doing it for fun and they lived it.
They lived it.
swear
Like,
to
I
God,
agree.
They
bro.
grew on it.
they
Like-
did shit.
We grew with them.
Yeah,
and,
yeah,
like, I
we
think
grew
that
with
was
them.
really,
I
really
agree.
fun.
Yeah.
Like I remember watching BB Ki Vines and Ashish Anslani on like a really low quality video.
And
Like
like
a
you would
very,
put on,
very
you
low.
would put in earphones so that your
Earphones.
parents couldn't hear what you're listening to.
Yeah, bro. There's this one Carrie Minati video. I think you know what I'm talking about.
Which one?
The one Charas Gancha Meko Pyara.
Oh my
I know that.
I've
I
heard
know
of
that.
it. Like,
Oh
I
my
didn't
That
watch
was
the video,
one
but
crazy video. Okay, so the video
Rupali.
Rupali.
Rupali. I
So
know.
I had like subscribed and I used to watch his videos religiously. Okay, and I just saw that okay, his new episode is coming, and I was like, I have to watch it.
Hmm.
I have to watch it anyhow. And on the same day, a lot of my cousins came over. So it was like a family get together thing.
Hmm.
And everyone's in the bedroom having a nice conversation, chatting and everything. And then there are half people in the hall eating dinner and everything. And then there are people everywhere in the other room, in the kitchen, everywhere. It was like, where can I watch this video?
I agree.
alone.
I took my earphones and I went into the bathroom and I finished a 40 minutes video and my dad is like banging outside.
not
He's like,
shady at all.
he's like, what are you
Oh,
doing?
My daughter's not watching porn. She's watching Carrie Minati.
Carrie fucking Minati is sitting 40 minutes inside. Dad's like, how? Okay, there's something definitely wrong. I don't know what I
What?
should question
Yeah.
Yeah,
right
is she
now.
pooping for 40 minutes? Is she
Yeah.
watching porn? Like, is she watching Carrie Minati?
I don't
Okay.
think he thought of that. How old were you?
I think 12 or
That's a-
13.
Okay, he thought of
Appropriate
that.
age.
Yeah, yeah.
Then he thought of
He
that.
definitely
For
did
sure.
think
Yeah,
of that.
I remember similar age, but I had already introduced my friend to Shane Dawson, and at this time, Shane Dawson is a huge YouTuber in the West, and he's reinvented himself
Hmm.
many times.
The guy who
At
eats
this-
mayonnaise.
I like mayonnaise.
I love
Like
mayonnaise.
just plain mayonnaise.
Would you eat a spoonful of it?
Yeah.
No.
Exactly.
No.
Anyway,
That's the guy,
so
right?
This was the era that he was doing food videos and conspiracy videos.
Go on.
The way that the room went silent is because that was the
That had
you had.
hold.
I know. And he posted this like 1 hour 30-minute video, and we were at our aunt's
Whoa.
house. Me and my sister, we were both like, Shane Dawson's new. I didn't have my push notifications on. She had her push
Oh.
notifications on her iPod, and I was like, "What?" And then I saw it on YouTube, and I was like, "Oh my god, new video!" And we both watched it together, like on our respective phones. We were like, "Oh my god, the aliens are real." What?
I remember I was introduced to Shane Dawson through you.
Yeah.
In school only. And I remember when I started watching him,
The
I-
moon theory I asked you to watch.
I
now.
don't remember which video that was, but like
It's
it was just
standard.
one video that you recommended to me, and I was hooked.
I know.
I started watching all of his videos, and in hindsight, I did like adopt some part of his personality.
It was a horrible personality,
It
by
was
the way.
like
Like,
very bad,
me being-
like horrible.
like if I was a
Anyway.
parent, if I was my parent,
concern, like max.
you know, I got
concern.
into trouble, right? When like my teacher said that I can't.
Yeah. We
I think I
discussed
mentioned this in another
earlier.
episode.
Yeah.
What?
So my teacher told my parents that your daughter's like really not like she's not well behaved and she's not respectful or whatever. And my parents took it very seriously. They were like, "You're not watching YouTube anymore."
Oh,
She-
right.
I got in trouble for like watching Lily sing. I used to, this I've
That
definitely
shows you
mentioned.
were
Yeah.
religious.
Towards
towards
like, I used to watch
YouTube.
vlogs of
Yeah.
I remember
Lily.
Zia just one day comes up to me and she's like, "Did you watch the My Parents reacting to Anaconda video of Superwoman?"
Yeah.
I was like,
Oh.
I have to watch it. Like, you will go home right now and you will watch it. Right?
Dude, honestly, I don't remember that video.
Are you mad?
No, it was
Why would
such
you
a
remember
funny
it? You should
video.
remember it.
I don't.
Bro, it was like, remember Lily Singh used to like
Of course, she used to do
enact,
that. Yeah.
enact her
Yeah.
mom and
Yeah,
yeah,
yeah, yeah.
and her mom is like, what is she wearing? Like in a very
You were
Yeah,
going
yeah,
to go
yeah.
Marathi just now.
Like,
You were like, you're thinking of your mom.
yeah.
Muscle memory.
Yeah, and then her mom just like has a very stereotypical Indian
Yeah,
accent.
yeah,
like,
yeah, yeah.
What are these clothes? Why is shaking so much ass? And
Yeah,
then-
yeah.
Right, I
And
remember
then
this.
the dad is just like,
On a little bit of a serious note, though, Dad was Turkey, yeah. That
Huh, huh,
that
huh.
dad was
"Full-on
Turkey.
Full on,
bro,
full on.
full-on
This
Turkey."
what Lily Singh used to do, and a lot of other YouTubers also used to. Zaid Ali was also one of those who's Pakistani.
Yes, 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 yes.
So what they used to do is they used to reenact their parents who like immigrated and everything, and then it sort of like this NRI kid who does not have to live with this accent is making fun of their parents' accents, in turn making fun of all Indians' accents,
Yeah.
Yes,
and then
stereotyping.
it's just it's like you don't have to live with that accent, we do, and then our like this gets bad. Indian accents are bad. Indians don't know English. Indians don't know this. Indians don't know that.
Hmm.
I understand the diaspora. I think that's how you pronounce it.
Diaspora, yeah.
Yeah.
Diaspora population of like America or like other Western countries. Like it must be hard to survive that, but I don't think this was the way to go, making fun of your parents' accents and shit. Like in
Yeah,
hindsight,
see,
it's not that.
I mean,
At the time, though,
exactly.
hilarious.
Dumb.
Yeah.
That's
I
what I'm
agree.
saying. No,
The
these guys
accent,
also.
honestly, the accent wouldn't make us laugh. It's the tone, because we could relate to the tone very much.
No, I
You are
feel,
right. I see
yeah.
that.
Yeah.
But that's
We
what
were
I'm
like, this
saying,
is how our
right?
parents sound.
Yeah.
Even
Yeah.
okay, fine. If they knew, they probably wouldn't have done that. But then they didn't know back then that imitating this,
affect
yeah,
somebody,
yeah,
being
and
this
that.
stereotypical would have this effect later on.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
they
kept
were also
on
figuring it
watching.
out
They were young as well.
as
Yeah.
and when
Yeah,
they were
exactly.
going.
We
Yeah.
kept on watching too, so it turned out good for them.
Yeah, so they were like, "ठीक है, चल रहा है."
Huh. And they didn't have anyone to look back on and be like, "Acha, ye nahi karna hai, aisa karna
Exactly.
hai."
They didn't have a
Exactly.
Now we
blueprint.
have that,
Yeah.
we
We
know,
have
we know
that.
kya bolna hai, kya nahi bolna hai in front of the camera. They never had that, so like,
Yeah.
हमें तो पता ही है.
huh, exactly.
The
Exactly.
way that earlier people used to hide it from their parents, and like now we are here and like my parents will tell people that I have this channel
Right.
Yeah.
proudly
I agree.
because
Yeah,
of the
true,
way
true.
that the tides have changed.
True. True.
It's not like we're doing anything obscene, so they're okay with it. They just
Yeah.
really hate the name, guys.
And they know we live by it, so.
Yeah, they don't want to tell people the name. They're like, yeah, she has YouTube or whatever. She
बे
talks-
ऐसा कुछ है पता नहीं.
we are something है कुछ तो पता नहीं follow वाला तो नहीं करते. Yeah, otherwise like the tides have really changed. People want to make this a career, and
Right.
I'm so glad we lived in that era where it was not all Mr. Beast. It was not all high production.
Right.
Yeah,
It was just
exactly.
In
Back
a room
then,
with
I
one
feel-
camera, one light. That's
Yeah.
it.
They
That's
back then
it.
people. I'm not denying the fact that people aren't creative now,
Hmm.
but I feel the creativity back then just showed so much.
Yeah.
It's
I
harder to
agree.
be creative now because now there is
This
self-doubt
competition.
included because
Oh,
and,
definitely.
Yeah.
and
bro,
people are watching.
everything that you've done, it's already been done.
It's either
Everything
that or
that you're
you
trying
will
to
get,
do, it's like it's there.
it's done and dusted, or you
Yeah.
get hate for it.
Yeah.
Whatever you do.
Whatever
Yeah.
you do.
So there's a lot of thinking that goes behind, like, oh, should I post this? Should I not? But
Yeah,
back
yeah.
then they were like,
भाड़ में
create,
गया.
create, upload.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
And if you
yeah,
want to
people think.
understand what like exactly how we're feeling right now, like literally go to your Instagram and look at your reel drafts. You will understand what we mean because tell me you don't have like at least 50 videos that you're like, I really want to post this, but like what is this
Yeah,
cousin's sister going to
Yeah,
say, or like what is
exactly.
this one going to say, like what will they think, like will they comment, will they show it to their friends, will they
Yeah.
make fun of me, like there's a lot of self-doubt now.
Yeah, definitely. The
Spoke about this
algorithm
to a
also
friend
plays
recently.
like a huge part on it.
Yeah, they've changed it a lot.
Yeah.
I mean, it needed to change with the time,
Hmm.
but it doesn't recommend a lot of like, the kind of independent creators, like people who don't have a production behind them. Like, I don't want to bash Mr. Beast, but like Mr. Beast gets pushed a lot.
Yeah.
I don't like him.
I don't like him either.
I
After
don't
his
like him either.
controversy, I'm just like,
But his chocolates are good.
I never watched him, but like
His chocolates are very
never felt the need to. Oh, Mr. Beast, let's watch a video.
Yeah,
Let's see what he's
Yeah.
like.
Same,
Never,
same.
never
I've
was
always
that
felt
intrigued.
like those giveaway things, and I donated like $10,000 to a random stranger.
That's
Bro,
all a hoax, dude.
Bro, don't.
no. they do it.
They
I
do
know
it.
they
Why
do
make a
it.
video about it?
Exactly.
If you're doing a
Exactly.
good deed, just don't like
Exactly.
publicize it and like
You're making
make
money
You're making money out of it.
Exactly.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Not
Exactly.
nice.
And I think we were from a generation where we grew up watching TV and also then had
Right.
a slow transition to watching
YouTube.
YouTube.
And
I
at the
agree.
same time, we are very diverse. We also knew what it was like to never have a phone.
Yeah.
Oh yeah,
Yeah,
we actually
Phone,
went through
iPod,
a
tablet,
lot of
nothing.
we went through a lot of like
Transitions.
phases. I
Phases.
think.
Yeah.
And I think
Technology was really on the come up when we were hitting puberty.
yeah,
Yeah,
I
yeah.
feel kids now when you say like oh it's on this channel, like back then we used to be like oh which number? And like
Yeah.
now they're like oh what's the name of the YouTube
YouTube
Or
channel?
like what is it
Yeah.
on Netflix,
What's it
Prime,
on?
Hotstar?
Yeah,
What
that's
is it
such
on?
a like it doesn't like
And
sit
it
right
feels,
to me.
it feels so weird to know that the kids nowadays are just like perpetually habituated to constantly having access to a cell phone or an iPad
Yeah.
or a tablet,
screen, yeah.
A
at
screen, yeah.
all
We are
times.
very overstimulated. Now,
Yeah.
like you see a kid in a restaurant, they're not
iPad
without an
kids.
iPad.
Yeah.
It's scary, but I
abhi-
don't know how it's gonna turn out.
अभी
right?
के बच्चे उनको मतलब पेरेंट्स आईपैड दे देते हैं वो ये लगा के वो कोको मेलन लगा के
हाँ.
बट पहले हम लोग को एक लॉलीपॉप देते थे हम बैठे रहते थे
Can I just say, Coco Melon's really good. Like it's very catchy, guys.
Coco Melon.
Yeah.
Ding, 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 ding.
I have like two small neighbors. They're very small. They keep coming to my house, and I have a really big TV. So we always,
Really.
we always play Coco Melon, and they'll just go like this near the screen and keep watching. Then I keep pulling them back.
Yeah. My dad always used to do this. He'd be like, हॉल में टीवी है ना 3 टाइल छोड़ के बैठ तीसरे टाइल के नजदीक गई
That's a
तो
good measure.
टीवी बंद कर दूंगा मैं
You've seen her
हमेशा.
house का tiles are quite big.
या
Yeah.
3 टाइल छोड़ के बैठ
मतलब घर के बाहर बैठ के देख
इतना छोटा नहीं है उसका घर यहाँ. अभी तो टूट गया.
But I think there's something to say about this category of YouTubers. Like, I'm pretty sure Zia, you've like seen them, but like Brooklyn and Bailey and like RCL Beauty,
Oh, yeah.
It's what I
Bethany
grew up
Mota,
on. It's what I grew up
Karina
on.
Garcia, all of them
Karina
had like a
Garcia.
very similar kind of videos that they used to make, and they also used to collaborate with each other.
You guys remember that Glitter Forever 17?
No.
Hi, Glitter Critters! It's Breland here, and welcome back to another EOS DIY.
I remember
Whoa.
watching EOS videos, but I don't remember who that was.
Oh, bro, so I have one relative that
Bro,
lives
bro.
in the US. He used to live in the US at the time, and they still do. And somebody had come from the US, and I'm like, please just send me an EOS. And I got that EOS. I got it to school. I smuggled it into school.
Wow.
I used it for a couple of months, and then I realized, oh my god, this is really making my lips chap.
Oh.
So, and then the controversy came out. Like, there was a conspiracy.
That
Shane
they-
Dawson covered this
that they
conspiracy that
put,
they have like
plastic or glass pieces
glass
which
pieces
cut
to
your
like
lips.
yeah. So you keep using it.
A lot of lip balms actually do that.
Yeah,
so
yeah,
that you
yeah.
keep reapplying.
That's
You
why I
keep
always use
replying.
Vaseline.
But bro, I used to watch
I
so
use
many,
saliva.
Can
Makes it
see
drier.
so many Karina Garcia videos, and I would keep making slime.
Slime.
मेरी मम्मी ने ऐसा मारा है ना
वो सेम
मुझे।
एक दिन मैंने क्या किया था पता है मैंने क्या
स्लाइम बना के फ्रीजर में रख दिया फ्रीजर में रहता था फ्रिज में रहता था ऐसे बर्तन भर के चमचे में my mom just like got one day so fed up of it and she was like तू इधर आ ये घर में फेविकॉल नहीं है
थूक से
आग से चिपका
आटे में खराब गया भाड़ में.
You know,
फेविकॉल ये घर में आएगा ही नहीं
मैं तुझे बताऊं मेरे साथ क्या होता था मेरे कोई तो मेरे जो भी फ्रेंड्स थे वो टाइम पे वो सब लोग यही सब देखते थे करीना गार्सिया वगैरह सो हम लोग को स्लाइम बनाने का बहुत शौक था पर सबको पता है कि इंडिया में बोरैक्स काफी इजीली नहीं मिलता था
Yes.
बट आई फिगर्ड आउट दैट बोरैक्स इज द सेम थिंग एज बोरिक एसिड
yeah
So
right.
then I figured out one particular glue and one particular brand of boric acid that actually works to make slime. वरना फिर वो-
Caramel ना.
हाँ वरना
हाँ,
फिर वो
caramel.
बनता नहीं था ठीक है
Yeah.
मैंने एक बार बनाया मैं स्कूल लेकर गई वापस स्मगल करके
वाह.
ठीक है and everyone's mind was blown. I got orders to
Oh,
make it.
shit.
Or it's like,
Yeah,
they used
मेरे
to
लिए
buy
भी
me
बना
the
दे.
glue.
Yeah, yeah.
They used to buy me the glue. I just make it for me because मेरे से
Oh.
बन नहीं रहा है.
हाँ.
And I knew my mom would hate this stuff.
Were you
okay?
getting paid for it?
I was not getting paid. They would just buy me
Acha,
the glue
okay,
and I
okay,
just
okay.
like, make it out of the kindness of my heart. And one day I shut the door and I'm making the slime and I was like, actually, so my dad does not use shaving foam.
Hmm.
I went upstairs to my uncle's house. I got his shaving foam.
Oh.
Smuggled it again. चोरी
Smuggler.
करना तो मेरा second nature था. हाँ, फिर मैंने लेकर आया और वो फोम के साथ मैं पहली बार बना रही थी तो बहुत मैस हो गया. And my mom started banging on the door. Like shit.
Anxiety.
What am I gonna do?
Dhanda band.
वो मिल ही नहीं रहा था. And she opened, she saw और क्या मार पड़ी है मुझे भाई. उसके बाद वो और फिर उसके बाद ये घर में स्लाइम बनेगा ही नहीं. And she started like
Dude,
really screaming at
You
me.
were like smart enough to figure out, okay, borax is boric acid.
Yeah.
हाँ.
I used to make such weird concoctions
Concussion.
concoctions of like
Anything.
How
and
to make
everything.
slime? No
Yeah,
glue,
yeah,
no
yeah.
Dude, I used to
borax.
put toothpaste, shampoo, salt, pepper.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
खाना बना रही हूँ मैं.
I've done that.
Pepper क्यों डाल रही हूँ?
आपके टूथपेस्ट
Salt
में नमक
क्यों
नहीं
डाल
है.
No, I actually saw a video with like if you put salt, it acts like a like
Bro,
activator
that
or
was
something.
all fake.
It was all fake, and then it used to
All
become like a
fake.
fucking paste, and I put it in the freezer. And for 2 seconds, it was like, oh my god, slime, and then it used to become like paste again.
paste again.
But
Yeah.
that you had to type in how to make slime, no glue, no borax.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that has become a full like thing now, like how to make friends, no glue, no borax.
Oh,
Like, how do
right,
you know?
right. I saw that. I
Yeah,
saw
so
that.
only like people who watched slime YouTube would understand.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Slime YouTube is great. That turned into like ASMR YouTube, which I just could not stand. I could not stand
I
ASMR.
love
I
ASMR.
hate ASMR.
I can
ASMR.
go to sleep to ASMR. So I've
I
been
agree.
No.
so this is not related to YouTube, but like on Reels.
Yeah, yeah.
Like of course people the short form of course is on Instagram, but like their
Hmm.
bigger videos are like, you know, ASMR to fall asleep.
yeah,
Or
yeah,
like
yeah.
wooden makeup. Or
Right.
like
I love wooden
or like
makeup.
you know, like tingles.
Yeah,
I don't know if you're bro, I love that.
I love ASMR.
like I actually fall asleep to that.
No, I can't. I can't.
cannot
I can.
with weird
There's
sounds. Especially I
the
don't.
raindrop and the
I love it.
waterfall. It kills me.
Nah,
I
nah,
like
I can't
waterfall.
do
I
raindrops
love it.
and
I
waterfalls.
love it.
I
can't
love
do it.
rain and waterfall while studying. I love the most. What I love is white noise.
Ooh.
White noise is the best. White noise is my most viewed YouTube. If there was a Spotify rap के जैसा YouTube rap, white noise would be on it because one particular video of white noise on YouTube, it's not on Apple Music, not on Spotify, nowhere. It's that one specific tone of white noise that I just love so much, and it's on YouTube, and I love it. But
Go on.
ASMR and all is fine. Food ASMR I can't stand. I can't stand somebody chewing beside
See,
me.
I same.
can't.
I don't like food ASMR like the mukbangs. Like mukbangs is fine if you're just sitting in front of a camera and eating. But
Eating,
like if you
yeah.
have a mic
Mike.
attached to it
And you
then
can
you're like,
hear
I
the
I
chop, chop.
watch.
Yeah,
I,
yeah.
I
can't.
watch food ASMRs mute karke. So I have this
Just to see
thing-
the food.
just eat
yeah.
the food, yeah.
So
Yeah,
I
yeah.
have this thing. Trigger warning, guys. I had eating disorder growing up, and I used to not eat. I used to watch food videos so that
You could
I
feel
feel
hungry.
satisfied.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
and no, not
Not
feel
even hungry, just feel
I
satisfied.
feel satisfied.
Yeah.
Like watching people eat or like watching people make food. I used to feel like okay, मैंने खा
Yeah, it
लिया.
would satiate too.
Yeah, मैंने खा लिया, मेरा हो गया, and then just drink water and be like that. Like
इसने मुझे
not
बोला
have.
था इसका कुछ तो उपास था तो वो 1 महीना से वीडियो देख रही थी.
हाँ,
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 हाँ.
हाँ, मैंने भी किया है भाई.
हाँ.
You know, like we fast
Yeah,
during
yeah.
our
I know, I know.
religious days, and like I did that fast for like 8 days, like no food, only water. That's how I spent those 8 days.
Yeah.
Just watch.
That's
Like for
exactly.
8 days, my
I would
YouTube
get
would
more
just
hungry. I feel.
filled
That's
with same
exactly what
food
I used
videos.
to do.
Dude, you
yeah.
know what I did yesterday?
So during that period of time, my mom and my dad, they were very concerned about me that
Hmm.
she's not eating and she just keeps watching these like food videos, and this is crazy.
Hmm.
So then they went and they put some, I don't know what they did, how they did it. They like banned these like multiple of the food channels, like Tasty, BuzzFeed ka. Tasty
Yeah,
ban
yeah,
kar
yeah,
diya
yeah.
tha mera.
I used to
Same.
love Tasty, bro.
I used to love Tasty.
Same, bro, but that was
Tasty
like
and so good.
So good.
फिर पॉप शुगर उस पे भी ऐसे बेकिंग वाले रेसिपीज वगैरह रहते थे, वो भी ऐसा ब्लॉक कर दिए थे चैनल्स. तो
Pop Sugar was from Pop Exo, right?
No, Pop Exo is
Pop Sugar is different. Pop
Indian.
Exo is Indian.
Yeah.
Pop Exo is like the beauty.
Pop
and,
Exo
like,
also had like a cooking.
Yeah.
This
yeah,
thing,
yeah, I
like,
did.
right?
I
Yeah,
had it
yeah.
much later.
Yeah,
Remember
yeah.
the iDiva era?
No.
What?
No,
iDiva?
iDiva era. Where Kusha
Arre,
and
bro, but
these
Oh,
people.
men's XP or something
Men's
like
XP,
that.
but like
No.
yesterday,
That's for men.
I was watching. I told you all that I was watching like mukbangs yesterday because I had an early dinner actually yesterday.
Yeah.
So I'm not used to eating dinner like at 7:30. I eat my dinner at like 10. But
A
yesterday,
good time to have dinner, by the way.
Yeah. Great time to
Yeah.
have dinner.
So I had an early dinner yesterday and I was like very hungry by the night. Okay. And then I was like, I don't want to eat anything like at 11 or 12. So I was in bed and, you know, my usual routine of like going on my phone and like watching whatever. And then I somehow stumbled upon like a mukbang video and then it went
It went
south from there. I was in like a fucking
You should
rabbit
trance.
hole.
If you
And dude, no, I was like, I kept watching like multiple videos of
Yeah.
mukbangs, okay? And I think it was like at 2:30 in the morning. And I was like, bro, bhook to bahut lagi hai. Kya karu? I don't want to make Maggie.
So jana.
No, I know, but like I was very hungry and I like wanted
We
to
know
have
how
something.
you get when you're
Yeah.
hungry.
And I then remembered that on my side table next to my bed, I have bhakar vadi. For some reason.
Nice.
Kachori
I-
got over.
Yeah, kachori got over.
Arre
Arre
yaar.
That was good kachori.
But like there was a dabba of bhakar vadi and I just like stuffed 3-4 bhakar vadis in my mouth and like I had a mouthful and then I went to sleep so peacefully.
If you really like watching like sophisticated mukbangs, there's this girl. Her name is Steph Papas.
Okay.
She's from Ohio, and like she has various other like types of videos that she makes, but like her main is mukbangs,
Okay.
and she is so good.
I have a couple of
How is it
She's
sophisticated? It's just
You know,
food.
no, some people like they would
Yeah,
like,
it's all
eat with their mouth
messy.
open,
Yeah.
their hands
Avocado,
are
avocado.
dirty.
I do
Yeah,
not
oh, I hate
like
him.
Yeah.
The way he wastes food,
The way he
It
wastes
triggers me, the
food,
way he eats.
he's so messy and like
I hate that.
जानबूझ ही करता है मतलब the
He
sauce he'll
orders so
actually
much.
throw it down like
Yeah,
I'm really- it's very
exactly.
annoying to
Yeah,
watch.
yeah.
And she's like very sophisticated. Like she'll keep her mouth shut when she's eating, and it's like it's pleasing
It's
to
very
watch.
like satisfying
Yeah,
to
yeah,
watch.
yeah. It's
I get
amazing
it. I
One
get the
more
appeal.
thing.
Yeah.
One more thing I was really addicted to was foreign people trying out Indian snacks.
Oh, that was
yeah,
like a very
yeah.
big
I
BuzzFeed thing.
loved
Bro,
that.
no, a
That
lot of
was
YouTubers.
that was
People
a
realized
full-
that it was getting them views, bro.
Yeah,
So
yeah, I
everyone was
love that.
full
Indians
drag.
unite. No, it's fine, guys. We have good food. Let's
Amer-
just establish that.
No,
we don't
it's just
need-
them
We
trying it.
have
Americans
We
try
don't need-
kurkure.
yeah validation
We
for
don't
that.
need validation, but I don't
There
know.
always has
It's
to
like
be this
a-
one comment in the comment box. All Indians, please like the comment if you're here to see.
Yeah.
It's like a fly to sugar. You know, they know what they're doing.
Yeah,
They
yeah,
really
yeah.
do, and it's just so sad.
No, but I watch those videos to know how they would what their reaction would be to our food, because I
No,
know that
that's
their
what
food
na.
is उसमें इतना मसाला flavor वगैरह नहीं होता है.
नहीं,
It's
I
pretty
would you
bland.
watch an Indian trying out American food?
I've watched those videos as well.
Yeah, even
I've
I
watched
listen.
Indians
No,
trying
but the
trying
German
out.
food.
But the
I've
thing
watched
is,
Indians
why
watching.
are they so surprised that another country apart from America can have good food?
Yeah, no, obviously,
Yeah.
much
Like,
better
oh,
food actually, much
The
better
pani
food.
puri is so good. Bitch, like first of all, you can't even have an entire pani puri. With
Exactly.
your
Yeah, you're
mouth
breaking
closed.
it.
You're
You're
breaking it.
breaking it in half. Like
Disrespect. I hate
And you
the
call
way.
chutney aloo.
I
by the way,
I hate the way these Americans and other people eat naan with
naan bread,
naan bread
with basmati rice,
basmati
And
rice
butter
and
chicken,
samosa.
butter chicken.
sweet ass
samosa,
butter chicken.
samosa के अंदर butter chicken का
हाँ,
gravy.
मतलब कुछ भी करते हैं,
कुछ भी करते हैं।
भाई, ऐसा गुस्सा आता है ना.
Trigger होती
I
हूँ
saw
मैं.
this one guy. He
Trigger
took,
होता
a,
है.
he took a naan and he wiped his face with the gravy and then he ate that.
अरे
That shit triggered the living shit out of me.
ये actually एक हमारे शो को ट्रिगर्ड बना देते हैं, है ना? एक अनट्रिगर्ड है, हम ट्रिगर्ड बने है ना? ये सही होगा.
very very triggered.
Very triggered भाई.
Very
हम
triggered भाई.
छोटी-छोटी
बहुत
बात पे
annoyed
trigger
किया है.
हो रहे हैं.
नहीं कुछ भी करो यार, कुछ भी करो, खाने के साथ मस्ती नहीं.
तमीज से खा यार.
हाँ.
सीख ले. हम
खाने के
चॉपस्टिक
साथ
से खाना
मस्ती
सीखते हैं ना.
हाँ.
फिर तुम क्यों नहीं सीख सकते हाथ से
नहीं.
खाना? डिफिकल्ट नहीं है इतना.
अब तो मेरे को कभी कभी ऐसा लगता है
ऐसा बर्गर को ऐसे
नहीं सुशी को ऐसा ओपन करने का राइट
But Japanese people didn't do anything.
राइट
Right.
अलग से
Right.
Japanese
Valid.
people are fine only.
It's these Americans only.
Yeah, dude.
कैलिफोर्निया रोल लेने का
Not from California, I'm sure.
That was a smart
Yeah.
joke. That was a smart joke.
This was a first for Srishti.
Yeah.
Wow.
Was that
I'm
intentional?
impressed.
no.
See, that wasn't it.
She's like, California
yes.
तो Japan में आता है.
अच्छा मतलब I thought you were asking did you plan
It was intentional. You planned it, no?
yeah
Yeah, good.
You thought.
yeah
Great.
Oh, okay, good.
I can
For once.
But yeah, all this really reminds me of all of those like weird places that I've been on YouTube. Like the rabbit holes
It's
that
a
I
journey.
have
yeah.
found.
Same.
मतलब एक level होता है iceberg जैसे दिखता है इसमें. That is also another part of this.
Oh yeah, okay.
Surface level, you see your vloggers, you see your commentary channels, like you see the popular shit. Then like at the very end of this iceberg, which is like at the very bottom, you have these like weird fucking rabbit holes. Like you will find like maybe 10,000 subscribers on these channels, and they've been posting for
Yeah,
like years. Okay,
Yeah.
they've not
Hmm.
gained popularity, but the audience that they have is like really a good audience. And I found myself in a few of those audiences. Like the
Same.
main one that I can think, like there's a couple, but the main one I can think of is, don't make fun of me, but there is this channel which is like an entire team that dresses up and lives as if they are in the 18th century, and they make food as if they're in the 18th century. It's called Townsends.
I would
And-
love to watch that.
It's bro, the utensils, the whisk, they like,
Oh, damn.
and they have like cookbooks from that time, and I learned
That's
that they used to.
peak creativity. man.
Yeah.
They
I
used to,
love
like,
that.
No, I actually live like that, not just for the
Yeah, yeah.
YouTube.
Oh,
they
oh,
live
damn.
like that.
One, they made it. They decided to start YouTube.
Yes.
Oh fuck.
Yeah, it's like a you know, like a touristy thing. Like, if
Oh,
you
that's
wanna have
scary
fun,
now.
You go there.
Whoa.
That just became scary.
Yeah.
So these people, like they take cookbooks from like the 18th century,
Yeah.
and they see they make pastries and how they
So,
cookies.
I have a question. Like,
Yeah.
are there laws also like the 18th
They
century?
live in America.
No,
So
but
they have
like,
to follow that law.
Is it like a cult?
oh
Are they like many people or just those
Is it
people
like a family
who were on
or is it,
YouTube?
like,
It's not a family, they're friends.
that's a cult.
Whoa. I
Whoa.
never thought of that. I'm not gonna look at that. So they'll have like different kind of like videos, like a rich man's feast, a fisherman's feast,
That's
a
weird as
poor
fuck.
man's
That's
feast.
weird as fuck.
Whoa.
So like how people
That's-
used to eat at that time.
That's giving what's that movie's name?
Midsommar.
Midsummer.
Yeah.
तुम
It's
लोग
giving
को
very
वो
Midsommar
पता है
vibes.
there are these like two guys I think they are from like a tribal region. I don't know if they are from India or not. They make everything from
Right,
scratch.
I know,
like they
oh,
make
people
an
who make
amusement
pools,
park
pools
with
and
the
I
bro.
love that. I love that.
Bangladeshis do that.
Yeah,
I love
Bangladeshi
that.
go,
Yeah.
bro.
I love those.
Bro,
Damn
they
cool,
are
damn cool.
architects.
Without a
Top
degree.
class.
Massive
Yeah,
Without a
yeah,
degree,
yeah.
like,
massive
out of
respect.
By it's
Land.
not even like a proper, like constructed proper. You could build
कुछ
something
भी
on that
किधर
type
भी
of
करते
land.
हैं,
Yeah.
They're
कुछ
doing
भी.
it
कुछ भी किधर भी.
with twigs, with leaves, with
Yeah.
bamboos,
Bamboos. Yeah.
with
Damn
like,
good, bro. They will
sticks.
खतरनाक
pool,
भाई खतरनाक.
for the pool. I saw this one video for the pool. They're filling. They're supposed to fill a pool, and they actually filter the water,
Yeah.
so the
Yeah.
pool is actually clean, and they can use it.
Yeah.
And they connect bamboos and then they get it from like a bigger water
love
body
that.
to
And
this
they, like,
place.
They made a small amusement park also.
Oh,
I have to watch that.
I have to
Yeah,
watch that.
please go
Let's
and
watch it.
Bro, crazy
Crazy.
dude. And then there's this one more like different genre I think everyone will relate to is when you were in almost 4th, 5th standard, I guess. 3rd, 4th, 5th standard this time.
Yeah.
Bermuda Triangle Mystery.
ये तो शेन डॉसन भी कवर करता था.
Yeah,
सब
yeah, yeah.
लोग, सब लोग.
Conspiracy theories.
Conspiracy
तो Shane
theories
Dawson
बहुत
used
है.
to cover.
And then like random
insane
facts
ways.
about the earth.
Yeah.
Random facts about
Bro,
the
how-
universe.
How various planets sound like.
Yeah.
Whoa.
What, you haven't heard that?
You haven't heard those?
No.
It's like
Oh
Earth
my
is like,
God.
mm,
Yeah.
And then Neptune is like,
Yeah, for real. But
Is this
sound
made up?
I don't know. Of
Sound
course it
note
is.
बन रहा है भाई. अलग level पे
And
है.
then there used to be like top 10 scary amusement parks in the
Yeah,
world.
yeah,
and
yeah,
like,
yeah.
Watch
Scary
Mojo.
rides.
Watch Mojo.
Watch
Watch
Mojo.
Mojo. फिर उसपे वो बैकग्राउंड में चल रहा था टिंग 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 टिंग
Oh, yeah.
So does that weird shit. And then I had one more rabbit hole that I found myself in. It was just, now it's not sounding so weird, but पहले ये नहीं होता था. This was food reviews, okay? So food reviews not like they're not reviewing some new food.
Okay.
They're going to McDonald's and getting a Big Mac. It's like that. So there was this
Right.
guy that used to
Bro, that's
dress up.
literally what BuzzFeed India is living off of right
They're
now.
doing right
Yeah,
now.
yeah,
They're
yeah.
living off of
This
it.
was
Yeah.
7-8 years ago.
Hmm.
There's this guy, his name was Running on Empty, okay?
Mhm.
Lanky white guy, okay? He's ginger, I think.
Mhm.
And he used to wear a full tuxedo. Not a
Ooh.
tuxedo, sorry. He used to wear a full 3-piece suit with a tie and everything.
Whoa.
Then he would go to like Burger King and get like the
Yeah.
spicy nuggets. And then his entire shtick was like, he'll be very calm. And he's like, he's in a business attire. And
Yeah.
he's having Burger King nuggets. It was the best. And
Okay.
his intro was like, this is Running on Empty Food Review.
Whoa.
like,
Oh.
I used to love that. It was just these things that used to
Shit.
like make a marker of
You
a
know-
person.
Uh-huh. Now that you, go on.
Yeah, tell na.
No, now that you you brought up rabbit holes, I don't know if y'all know this, but Joji,
Yeah, I know.
he used to be
Pink
a
guy.
YouTuber.
Whoa.
Yeah,
Joji used to be a YouTuber.
he used to be a YouTuber, and he used to have his YouTube channel with a couple of other guys,
Mm.
and they used to make the weirdest,
racist.
racist,
No
most
way.
uncomfortable
Yeah.
videos ever. I don't know if y'all have heard
Bro,
of
what?
Did he not get
One
covered in
minute.
shit once?
I don't know if y'all heard of the hair cake.
The what?
The hair cake. I'm
I've
pretty
not heard.
sure there's a set of audience that we have who definitely know what I'm
Ew.
talking
The
about.
hair cake.
The hair cake. My
It's-
channel's name is called Filthy Frank.
Guys, very much triggered right now.
Leave.
Oh yeah, dude. So these 3-4 guys, they used to make these videos, okay?
Yeah.
And they made this one video called the hair cake, where they took one guy, shaved his hair, his eyebrow hair, his muchi, his head on his
Don't
hair.
tell me his pubic hair.
So we don't. They didn't
Oh,
show, na?
they didn't show, like, you know, like
Oh.
they put in the
Oh, no, no,
trimmer
no,
down,
no, 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 no.
like
Ooh.
mixing that hair in a batter of cake.
Stop.
I'm sorry. I'm so
ate it?
sorry.
Who ate it?
Wait. They baked the cake
no,
and
no,
they
no, no,
broke
no.
it,
I'm
and you
out,
could see
I'm
the
out, I'm
hair.
Who
Guys,
ate
I'm out.
it?
They ate it.
I'm so sorry. Can you chew hair?
They
Will you
vomited it
shut
out.
up?
Zia, I will pay you 50,000 rupees.
Or mang.
More.
Or mang.
Like, I'm not stopping.
Please.
This is very interesting because I love rabbit holes like
but
these.
who
Same,
was that
same.
guy who used
Ew.
to bathe in everything? He used to bathe
Yeah,
in
he used to
juice.
Nutella and like
Yeah.
he used to just cover himself. That was
What?
another
Bathe in
fucking
a
weird
Orbeez.
rabbit hole. Yeah, dude,
Yeah,
I know what
Oh
you're talking
my
about.
god.
Yeah.
I think for me, one of the best rabbit holes I fell
Orange
into.
juice something.
Yeah, man, I know what
Bee
you're
juice
talking
something,
about.
something. I
Yeah,
don't
sorry.
remember.
Continue.
Continue.
Disgusting.
Disgusting.
But like to see that he was Joji, he's Joji now.
Yeah. But he retired, Filthy Frank.
He
No?
did, but like it's to
Yeah.
have that past like
What were you
on
saying?
record
Bus.
is
Yeah,
disgusting.
where was I? I think one of the best rabbit holes I fell into was mostly Sin. Like I started
she's not a
watching her.
rabbit hole.
No. I
Popular.
started watching her when she had like 100 subscribers.
Oh.
Okay, you're
Like
That's
when
an
she
accomplishment.
just
Yeah.
started with YouTube
Uh-huh.
and she had
Project Life, you're watching?
We
Project
love
Life
you.
you're watching. Love.
Love.
You know when she had types of people in Delhi Metro.
Bro, that
Yeah,
was my
yeah, yeah.
Types of people reacting to Delhi.
Yeah.
Something Delhi. I don't even
Uh,
remember.
Random words Delhiites use.
Yeah,
That was my
yeah.
favorite video
I've
ever.
watched her since then.
Favorite video.
I don't
ever.
watch her YouTube anymore, but I do follow her a lot on Instagram right now. Like I do
Yeah.
follow her and I really like
Do
her
you
personality.
No?
She does,
She
like a
does.
little bit. Like she had, I love this strategy that her team had. They had like 3 videos a week. So it was talk.
Real
What was
Talk
it?
Real Talk
Real Talk
Tuesday.
Tuesdays. Where
Sawal
Thursdays was
Saturday.
like
Sawal
a
Saturday.
novel sketch comedy video.
Thursday
and then
she
Sawal
stopped upload,
Saturday.
right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh my
I
God,
was hooked
us.
on. I was hooked on to all three of them, and like you
Uh-huh.
get video every the next day.
Every other day.
Every
Every
other
other
day.
day.
I'm like, भाई crazy चल रहा है यार.
Bro,
मतलब
I
bore
used to-
होएंगे ही नहीं मैं
I
कभी.
used to relate Pro Max to her sketch comedies because that is exactly how a Maharashtrian family looks like. Literally, bro.
Yeah, she was
literally.
very accurate with
Very,
like the
very
accurate.
imitations. Huh?
Bro, Montu is exactly आदि. कभी पढ़ाई नहीं किया, हमेशा उसके ऊपर से मार खाता रहता था.
Yeah.
मम्मी हमेशा रोती रहती है, मैं घर पे खाना बनाती हूँ, कोई खाता नहीं है.
Wait, I just observed something.
What?
So Prajakta was a very good representation of what an Indian like where we live.
Yeah.
True Indian household looks like, and Lily Singh was a very good representation of what an
NRI.
immigrant family, Indian family
Yeah.
looks like.
Yes.
Yeah,
Maybe that's why I
definitely.
found
She-
that like
uh,
not as relatable as Prajakta.
Yeah, I
mostly
agree.
Sane really looked up to Lily and like she actually
Yeah,
yeah.
wanted
Yeah,
to
yeah.
be like her, right?
Yeah,
and she
yeah.
did a phenomenal job.
Phenomenal. job.
Phenomenal job. I'd say better.
She's writing a book now.
Is she?
Oh,
Yeah.
how to be a
Oh,
how to
she
be a
was writing
mouse?
a book.
Hold up. Let me just. That was the first book I ever bought, and I actually read through it. I cried at the end at the
Because
Malala
it-
chapter.
because
Did you actually
Because-
read the book?
I read the
she
book.
cried.
Wow.
She cried because it was bad.
No, I cried because the book was over. I'm not even joking.
और पन्ने किधर है?
और नहीं था, bro. But you know what? I won't give this much credit. I won't discredit her because it did teach me some good things. Like I was around 11, 12, no 12, 13.
Okay.
And in that book, like very things that people won't tell you but are very important in life. Like there's one chapter about how you should be the dumbest person in the room.
Yeah.
That made a lot. Didn't when I read that, I was like, what?
That's
and
so
then I
stupid.
read the chapter and I was
Yeah.
like, that makes a lot of
A
sense
lot
because
of
you won't
sense.
get to grow.
Yeah.
And then another one was like an entire chapter about having a firm handshake, and I didn't realize that up until like I started actually doing it in college and stuff. When I used to meet like my seniors, and they used to be like, "You have a very firm handshake. That's good. That's a good sign of confidence."
Confidence. Yeah.
And people notice that stuff. It was very subtle, and coming from somebody I looked up to,
Hmm.
I really cherished that,
Yeah.
which is
I
why I
agree.
cried, guys. I was not a wuss. Yeah.
You can admit to being a wuss. There's nothing bad in it. I
I'm
feel.
not mad about being a wuss. I'm just mad about the name of the book.
But like, I think the first video I saw of Lily Singh was, I think
My parents
she.
reacting to
No.
something
No. I think one of my school friends told me to watch this one video
Nahid.
where Nahid. Yeah, for sure it was Nahid.
Yeah.
Told me to watch this video with Miranda sings.
Oh. She was
That-
just like
yeah.
Colleen
That
Ballinger.
video.
Colleen
was
Ballinger I didn't like,
so
huh? कुछ भी करती
iconic.
थी, हाँ, voice only I didn't like.
Colleen Ballinger. I
She
forgot.
used to talk like that. See, she has a
Mera-
weird accent.
Yeah.
She used to be very annoying, bro. Her
Yeah.
lips
I
used to
remember
be
the
all
name.
around here.
I
She used to
remember
wear
the
purple
name.
sweater. That's Miranda Sings.
Yeah.
She was a character.
Ca-
Miranda
that's
Sings was a
Miranda
character.
Sings.
Oh,
Correct,
yeah.
Right.
I'm like,
Yeah,
नाम से नाम
like,
लग रहा है.
yeah, same.
दिमाग
Yeah,
में picture क्यों
same,
नहीं आ
same,
रहा?
same.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Her.
Yeah.
That video was
She used to
iconic.
talk like that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
And then
same.
this one video where she makes like a One Direction songs parody
Bro,
about her life.
That was too good. Too good.
A moment.
That
a
was so
moment.
smart.
A
too
moment
good.
to
And then-
acknowledge YouTube music. Music that YouTubers were making. The Jake Paul diss tracks, the Logan Paul diss track.
Even
Billy
Bitch,
Zane came out with
lasagna.
that
Yeah,
one, no?
many of
That-
them.
Yeah.
Yeah, pen, pineapple,
those-
apple pen.
Like, Rice Gum used to make these diss tracks on like TikTokers that were 10 years younger than him. It was just such a culture.
Yeah,
And I used to
yeah,
memorize
yeah.
all of them, huh?
Do you guys remember Lore DIY?
Laura?
Lore
Oh, DIY, yes.
Lord.
She was
Purple hair?
yeah.
Yeah, I know.
Laura, I don't remember.
Lord
Lord
DIY.
DIY.
She has a podcast. She has a podcast now.
Way
yeah.
to go, girl.
Slay.
Even Alicia Marie, if you guys
Yeah,
remember,
I remember
she
her.
also has a podcast
No.
now.
Oh, okay.
Do you guys know Emma Chamberlain? She also has a podcast.
She always had one.
I think Emma Chamberlain is a very good example of how she like really transitioned into like something very solid even outside of YouTube. Not
Yeah,
that
yeah.
YouTube is unstable in any way, shape, or
I
form,
agree.
but she really transformed into whatever she
Yeah,
wanted
yeah.
as a kid.
Yeah.
I agree.
Yeah.
You know, even without going to college and everything, she's really made a life for herself. Which is very commendable.
very independently.
And
like,
bro,
she knew
Yeah.
she was different. She knew she stood out, but she didn't
Yeah.
hesitate to like go.
on
Yeah,
the,
yeah,
on the
experiment.
very
Yeah.
similar lines over here, we have Prajakta Kohli and Bhuvan Bam like that. Bro,
Yes.
I don't know what
agree.
Bhuvan Bam
Beautiful,
does,
yeah,
but I know
same.
Prajakta has some
beautiful
Netflix show.
work in,
Yeah.
Amazing. Yeah, I
in
agree.
which series was that? I watched it and I don't remember
Which
the
one?
name.
Who's?
Bhuvan Bam series. He was working with this actress Shriya Pilgaonkar.
Oh yeah.
Taza Khabar. Amazing, bro. Amazing.
He also had this one thing on YouTube, right? He had like
Dindora.
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 Oh my
Too good.
god.
Too good.
I love Dora on TV.
So guys, this Bhuvan Bam, no, I really respect this man a lot.
Yeah.
Genuinely, I feel like his interviews over the years, how he has been as a person, it really has helped me shape, whatever I have inculcated into me right now. It's just that the way he's a very like family guy,
Hmm.
and he has like this one girlfriend throughout
Who
his
he's been
life.
dating for
14
14
years.
years.
I didn't know he was in a
Get
relationship.
married.
14 years.
I hopefully wish they get married
Hopefully
soon.
they will get married soon.
yeah.
Of course, he has to achieve some milestones before he
Yeah.
wants to get married. Maybe some case like that.
Personal.
He did everything on his own, like literally everything.
He used to
make
he used to film his videos initially in like a 1 4x4 का खोली.
इत्तू सा
और मतलब he did
वहाँ
not
पे
even have
storage
like
रहता था.
दूसरा place, like how if
सब
we're the
storage
four of
रहता
us, you
था.
have a different background, different. He didn't even have that.
और
And for
मतलब
somehow he just figured how to give all of his, like he would do all the characters himself, his mom, his dad, his friends, his school teacher,
sketch
his
comedy.
mama.
yeah, sketch comedy,
Yeah.
everyone. And it is, even though the background is same, it was so easy to tell who is talking with my eyes shut because I knew it is this person and this person
Yeah.
exactly. Like
So very
that's how
good,
thorough he
Mark
was
of,
yeah,
with
good
his sketch comedy.
mean,
He
sketch
was
comedian,
so
yes,
thorough
yeah.
with it. Like even if my eyes shut, I could know अच्छा समीर बात कर रहा है. अच्छा
Bro,
भी
the
उसके पापा बात
characters
कर रहे
were
हैं.
so fucking funny.
So
There,
funny.
there was this guy, Sameer Fuddi.
I love him.
उसको वो स को फ बोलता था और च को ह बोलता
हाँ.
था.
Okay.
So with like this thing, he got away with saying a lot of bad
Bad
words.
A lot of
Lot
bad
of
words.
cuss
And that, we
words.
didn't know back then कि भाई
Genius.
ये भी गालियाँ है.
हाँ.
फिर बाद
Please,
में
huh?
translate.
Shut up. Shut up.
So-
Ritika,
So ऐसा मतलब
smart मत बन.
वो आता था ना समीर, तो मतलब भुवन बम का कैरेक्टर, उसका नाम भुवन ही रहता था. तो वो पूछता था और समीर कहाँ पे गया था, तो ये बोलता था फैक्स करने गया था.
Sex. Yeah.
और वो तभी बहुत मतलब ऐसा ओ क्रेजी बोल दिया भाई, ऐसे कैसे बोल दिया.
You felt grown up watching like content like that. You're like, oh,
Yeah, and
It's
somewhere
true.
I feel like I
yeah.
didn't want to grow up on YouTube. I was very like sehma hua only. Like I'm a kid. I'll watch kid content only.
and then bro,
Yeah, I
also
had a
did
mix
that.
of 13, 14.
yeah.
Not उससे पहले
नहीं,
तो
उससे
used to
पहले
watch
नहीं.
like cartoons only on
मुझे
TV.
guts ही नहीं थे. मैंने
Then-
चालू किया क्योंकि मुझे बेस्ट ऑफ लक निकी का
भाई, मैं-
reruns देखने थे.
मैं YouTube पर आई क्योंकि मुझे लोगों ने अच्छे channels recommend किए.
Same.
okay.
Not because I wanted to watch YouTube. I was always like a
I-
TV kid.
Then,
TV
then
channels पर
after
देखना.
that,
First-
I started watching like Scoop Whoop and AIB.
Scoop.
Bro, AIB I fell in love.
I love AIB.
AIB was way ahead of its time.
way ahead of
Definitely.
it.
That's why they got cancelled
way,
also.
Way fucking ahead
They
of
got
its time.
cancelled how? I don't
They
remember.
got
I don't know
cancelled.
actually.
Arey,
in the
they
Me
had-
Too moment.
They had many like
Who
They
did
got
that?
cancelled in the Me Too
Tanmay?
moment. No, not Tanmay. Not Tanmay.
It
not
wasn't a
Ashish
Me Too
Shakya.
movement.
It was a Me Too.
One of the comedians
one
said
of the-
something controversial.
Yeah.
And because
No.
of that,
They mainly got cancelled because
It
of the
wasn't
roast.
because of Me Too.
That's what I'm saying. They mainly got cancelled because of the roast.
Yeah, like they would make
So
There
you
was
guys
this-
know there was this like huge roast that happened, which was to promote Gunde. So there was Arjun Kapoor,
Oh, yeah, I
Ranveer
remember
there was
Singh,
that.
Ranveer
I
Singh,
remember.
and there was
I saw
Karan
that.
Johar.
Karan Johar.
And
Yeah.
there were a lot of Bollywood celebrities.
Yeah,
There's like
invited.
a proper audience.
yeah, I saw that.
And
Yeah,
in the
yeah.
audience,
From that
No,
video,
no,
they
no,
got
no, no,
cancelled.
not because of that.
yeah, they had multiple FIRs.
No.
Oh.
The FIR was on Tanmay. I'll tell you why. So he posted like a video with Sachin Tendulkar's filter on his face and like he said random shit. Like
Okay.
So
so
it's like,
defamation.
don't
For
disrespect the
defamation.
person
Yeah.
who's done so much for the country like that, you
Yeah.
know.
Understood.
उससे
Yeah.
वजह से उस पे lawsuits पड़े and then they eventually decided कि बंद कर देते.
अच्छा.
Tanmay
So
was
that's
gone
why-
for a very long period. Then he came back with his own channel.
Yeah.
Understood.
Like
So
that.
that's why when like this entire meme came out, bat का grip निकाल के, तो तभी Tanmay used to be like,
मैं नहीं बोल रहा कुछ.
मैं कुछ नहीं बोल
मैं
रहा
कुछ
ना.
नहीं बोल रहा.
मैं
वैसा.
कुछ नहीं बोल रहा.
अच्छा.
Bro, but there is something to be said about like the culture of YouTube cancellations on a whole.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Like you will like literally be almost on the worship of a YouTuber. That's
Right.
like it's called a parasocial relationship.
I know you have
really,
one of those. Yeah,
I
yeah,
have
yeah.
many.
Yeah.
None of the YouTubers that I like are good people. I realize that.
All are cancelled today.
I mean, they've all genuinely been cancelled in some way, shape, or form. So obviously, very recently, Cody Ko got cancelled. I loved him.
Shane
Lily
Dawson.
Singh, Shane Dawson though was very big. I was
Lily Singh
getting to
got
that.
cancelled?
Lily Singh got a lot of hate because when she got her late night show, she used to be like, "I'm a bisexual woman of color," and that's all she. That was the entire.
She made that her entire
Shh,
personality.
So why is
Personality.
she getting cancelled for that?
She's not getting cancelled. She got a lot of criticism for that.
Her
Because she got
actually,
I don't see why
such a
that's
big.
wrong.
her
No,
content
she-
started going very, very down.
It went down, and what the people's criticism was that you are making it your entire personality. We want to feel like bisexual women of color want to feel like a normal person.
That's
Not
very
like a
minority.
caricature
That's
Okay,
very
okay,
that
got
she
it.
has
Yeah, yeah,
made
true.
of herself.
Yeah, yeah.
Then Lily Singh got a lot of hate. When she got over that, and then of course beauty YouTube was big for me. And to see the Tati Westbrook downfall, and to see that Jeffree Star and James Charles.
I
and-
remember
Oh,
Zia
no, I
would
was
come to the
sad.
class and she would be crying like she's come from a funeral. It
I
used to be
babe,
exactly
hold
like
on,
that.
hold on.
The whole
Fact check. When the fuck did this happen?
This happened 2-3 times, bro. You were like sitting like this.
when
and
the
then,
whole James
Hush,
Charles and Tati
James
Westbrook controversy happened.
Yeah,
in
bro.
the lockdown, it happened.
But I know you were upset about
I was
it.
very upset about
Yeah,
it.
that's
what
I
I'm saying.
wasn't crying though.
You cried. You've cried
For
at least
what?
once.
Tell
You've
me.
cried
what?
for one
what?
YouTuber.
For some YouTuber.
It
Which
was
one?
like,
We're fighting IRL. Let's go.
I don't know, it was probably some YouTuber got cancelled and there were like a lot of things happening around you and he was like, I just can't. And then you started crying.
No.
Yeah.
I don't remember that.
I don't remember that
You
either.
used to sit beside me. You've been in my class since I don't know when.
No, I'm not
Okay?
talking about
Fifth
school.
grade.
I'm not talking about
Fifth
school,
grade.
babe.
Tuition.
I'm talking about classes.
She was there too.
I was her we were partners in
We were
tuition.
partners in
also.
tuitions also.
We were partners in tuitions.
That's
The
so
One
sweet.
Direction bag.
Yup.
Anyway, but like I feel like there's something to talk about the era between 2015 to 2018. For me at least, that was peak YouTube.
YouTube, I agree.
We were what? Like 12 in
Yeah, yeah,
2015, and 12 to 15 I lived my life through YouTube,
I agree.
like with the challenges, the what's in my backpack.
Rosanna
Yep, yep.
Pansino.
Oh, what's in my backpack? Do you guys want to do it now?
Let's do it.
It has always been my dream.
I have
Let's
always
do it.
wanted to enact.
I have
Where's
a
Where's
full
your bag?
I have
My
a
bag.
full on college bag on me right now, but I'll show like top 3.
Okay.
top 3.
Top 3.
So guys, like, we are excluding.
bag.
This is mine.
This is my bag.
This is my
This-
entire full work
This is
college
actually-
going bag.
This is actually my mom's Valentine gift and I stole it because I really like it a
She
lot.
is her mom's Valentine. So Srishti, can you go first?
Yeah, I'm
Vogue
going
style.
first. I'm excluding the wallet, okay? Wallet and claw clips I'm excluding.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
So we have my favorite perfume. This is My Way from Giorgio Armani. And this is like
मैं तो इतनी गरीब हूँ मैं बोल भी ना पाऊँ.
and
George,
this is-
yeah.
George Washington.
this is
George
like-
Babu.
पुस पुस मत करना यहाँ पर कैमरा है.
नहीं, सृष्टि कैम.
माइक है भाई भाड़े का है ऊपर से.
this is like my holy grail product. I do not go out without applying it.
We cannot.
क्या करो अभी मेकअप दिखाओ या कुछ और दिखाओ because makeup
Interesting
तो बहुत
चीज
है.
दिखा.
Okay. I have my car
Interesting बोला.
keys. I have my car keys. This is a very cute keychain that my brother ordered from me from Amazon. This is like a gearbox.
गाड़ी इसकी ऑटोमेटिक है.
ए.
लेकिन ये सही है. ये सही है.
इसमें से चला लेती हूँ मैं.
इधर से वो गियर
Practice
चेंज करती
करती है
है.
वो वहाँ पे.
वो
Practice
इधर
करती
से
है.
वो चाबी की बजा कर वो गियर चेंज करती है भाई.
Okay. I have
Okay.
this.
And then
I also had that.
What's that?
okay,
It's a good thing I should show later.
I'm gonna do 2 things more, like because okay.
Fatafat.
one only.
Fatafat. No, one more thing. It's quite funny. These are my sunglasses. Necessity. And
Yeah, I think
I
I
don't
know
know
these
why I have this boarding pass
Oh,
from
where?
Vistara.
कहाँ का है?
Goa.
मौज. मौज कर दी.
मजे. चलो संजना you go.
I kept this
Moving
in
on.
my bag. 1 minute. I kept this in my bag because I had to make a video asking. Okay, So, if Ratan Tata was in the movie Ravan,
Hmm.
what would
बोला है तूने.
what would his song be? What would he sing or what would he
Very
say?
disappointing. Don't answer.
Vistara, Vistara hai rati bar ka jag sara.
Moving on.
Moving on.
Moving right along. What's in my bag gone wrong?
I've gone horribly wrong. Okay. So this is a very
Oh, I thought that was mine.
no. So
Even I thought that was mine.
I
It
got
was yours.
this I got this lipstick from Nykaa I think almost a year ago, and I love it so much, and I know I can buy one, but I want
This one's expensive.
no, even though it is expensive, I'll save
Oh.
up for it,
ओहो.
but I want to use it मतलब पूरा वसूल करना है
जब
मेरे
तक
को.
जान नहीं निकल जाती.
I have been sharpening this so much, and I'm pretty sure I will sharpen it like a couple of more times, but I genuinely love this. I think I'm wearing it right now, but
True embodiment of जब तक है जान.
Jab tak hai jaan.
this is one. Then I'm a very I
Resourceful.
sound very basic yaar, but like lip balm, I love lip balm. If I'm not wearing lipstick, I'll wear lip balm. Moisturized lips.
Okay.
And this is a 2 rupee coin that I found.
That is all she has to her name.
This is my favorite find that I found in my bag right now.
Thank God Sushti is driving us back home.
इससे कैसे जाती घर में?
Exactly.
लिफ्ट मांगना पड़ता मेरे को. But yes, I'm so happy I found this 2 rupees.
ऐसा होता है वो.
अबे लूजर तू है. This is for lift.
This is for lips.
Live.
Wherever,
तुझे
whichever
किधर
side you
जाना
want to
है?
go. Whichever side you want to go.
Yeah.
Like if I want to go this side,
I'll be this.
Yeah,
If I wanna
but to
go here-
stop the car, you do this first, and then you're like, okay.
No.
No.
Bro, 1 minute.
First of all, guys, don't hitchhike.
Yeah, don't.
People get murdered
One
that
second.
way.
If a car is coming from here, I'll say, नहीं मेरे को पीछे जाना, तू reverse कर.
So
ऐसे
you
बोलूंगी मैं.
stand on the opposite road and be like
Like,
this.
हाँ, so that's why I'm standing here, na. That's why I'm like,
ऐसा बोल.
All the way.
कर
She
रही है
won't
क्या?
survive. She
Yeah.
won't.
I'll go next. Okay.
हो गया अभी.
This is a Uniqlo bag. It's a very basic bag, and I bet everyone's seen this at least
मेरा
once
mic
in their
क्यों
life. I'm so sorry, Dhitu. But yeah, I'm gonna skip the makeup as well. Let's first go on to these. They're the sticky things that influencers have. So
Ooh.
I have a black one because I think
Presumptuous.
it will really match well with the black on the camera. So I'm gonna use this on a transparent thing, and then I have a green one because I wanted to have a Brat Summer, but Brat Summer's over. So
Next year.
I guess next year, yeah, next
Stay
year.
tuned.
Stay tuned. A Brat Summer Taylor's version. Another thing I have that's like slightly interesting, whatever, wet wipes, blah. There's a lot of space.
Love.
Frozen. There
Love.
was Sardi ka medicine also. I can't find.
Even
You
I
had
have-
ulti ka also, na?
I had ulti ka I usually carry.
even
medicine.
I have
खा लिया
my Allegra in my bag
अरे,
because
मिल गया,
I'm
मिल गया,
lactose
मिल गया.
intolerant.
This is Montec LC. If you need a good Sardi ka medicine, it is great for allergies. So I have these medicines right now, and I am saving the best for last. Actually, shoot day. I wanted to pack light. I have my previous episode T-shirt in there.
अभी लोगों को पता चल गया हम लोग ने लास्ट वाला
हाँ
Same
ठीक है ना
episode.
ठीक है
ठीक है.
ठीक है. So nobody is caring this much. I promise you, bhai.
If they made it this far, you're lucky. We are lucky. Sorry.
Yeah.
We are lucky. Thank you.
And this is an ad for this Uniqlo bag. 'Cause
Love.
everything fits, and there's a lot more stuff. If you can see.
There's a dead body also actually inside, which fit.
No. No, you're the one with the duffel bag.
Parts on my bags. Big ones are there.
So yeah, that was what was in my bag.
Yeah.
So as you saw, my bag was huge. So I picked out 3 things. Tissues, obviously. I don't know why I have this. It's a black marker.
Eyeliner है उसका.
वो नहीं होता बच्चों
Liner,
लगाते हैं।
काजल, वो टीका लगाते हैं, काला टीका.
हाँ.
उसके लिए, काला टीका के लिए. And this is a
Alumni.
little badge.
TEDx का.
TEDx XKC College badge.
ओहो बता
I
दिया
don't
सबको.
even. They
Reveal
can
college
see it,
reveal.
idiot.
College reveal guys.
They could see it. It
Alumni.
just has my name on it,
बता.
and like I can like people ask के, like कभी TEDx is like what am I saying?
TEDx is good, huh?
Good, great.
TEDx
Majja.
exhibition.
I just kept this as proof, you know. because
TEDx
It has my name
exhibition.
on it
I know.
and everything. It says
हम भी बात
volunteer.
कर रहे हैं हम चारों ने TED Talk दे दी
तो तुम लोग तो ऐसे भी अपने कॉलेज का नाम बोल सकते हो. एक बार तो मेरे कॉलेज का आईडी देख लिया था किसी ने इमेजिका में, देख के बोला हाय हाय.
That's also the best reaction. Hi, hi.
ये कॉलेज में कौन जाता है?
जाते हैं पैसा होता है वो लोग जाते हैं
But yeah, we loved doing the what's in my backpack. But yeah, other than that, there was also like, you know, Christmas haul.
Let us
And
know what
like,
a full
oh,
version of what's in our
Lord.
bag where we
Challenges.
reveal everything that's in our bag.
Everything.
Speaking of challenges, like another like YouTube channel that has a very fun take on this is Try Guys. According to me, I
oh yeah
I
love Try
love
Guys.
Try Guys. Like
I love
they
Try.
transformed challenges for sure. They took it from like smoothie or like pizza,
Yeah.
Yeah.
all that. What's it? Smoothie,
Smoothie
challenge.
Smoothie challenge.
But they
Or
took it and they
marshmallow challenge.
put
Yeah, yeah.
production behind it, and like
Yeah.
usually when
Great
small
production.
YouTubers make like big production content, it doesn't always bode well.
Yeah.
For the Try Guys, it really did very
Yeah.
well.
with their series of without a recipe.
Without a recipe.
And I love how, like you said, the production quality is great.
Yeah.
Like I love how all four of them have like their different takes on what they make.
Right.
And then they also have like a panel of judges who judges their
Yeah, yeah,
recipes.
yeah.
Yeah.
And it's a very honest like judgment, huh? Like
Yeah,
not
yeah,
like
yeah.
they're fabricating it and being
Yeah.
like,
If it's
"Oh,
bad, it's
but
actually
yes,
bad.
it
Exactly.
also, bro.
yeah, and
Very
all of
ballsy
them,
of them.
they don't have like a very basic approach to it, or like vanilla or like strawberry. They'll go like
They'll go
weird.
crazy. Yeah,
They'll go
Yeah.
ham on
Yeah.
like
Yeah.
the
I love
recipes
that.
and the combinations, and it's a lot of fun to
Have
watch.
you
There was
watched
a-
this series where who's that one guy? The tall guy,
Keith,
Keith, and the other one, other than Eugene.
Ned. No,
Ned.
Ned got
Ned
cancelled.
left.
Ned
sorry.
got cancelled.
Eugene, Ned,
Ned.
Keith, and Zach.
Zach. You know, Zach has this series where he does things when he's high.
Huh?
What?
You guys don't know this?
What? What is it? I know they have an app now that they post
No. So
like,
I saw
paid
this one
content on.
video where Zach tried like different types of marijuana from across.
Holy
that
shit!
legal?
In
there it
America,
is.
yes. In America, it's legal.
No, not
No,
all
not
states.
all
Not
states.
all
all
states, yeah, but like the I
Where
think
they are,
where
it
they
is.
are, I think
If
it's
he's
legal.
uploading it,
They
then I'm
don't
pretty
show
sure.
They're in
they
Los
don't-
Angeles, so probably California is legal.
Yeah, they don't show like him smoking it.
But him
Oh,
high.
you know
But
what the
him high.
concept of California sober person is? Tana Mojo's podcast, I mentioned this. What is California sober is like, or LA sober is when you can smoke weed but you can't drink. You
Oh.
can vape but you can't smoke cigarettes. That is
What?
California
that's
sober.
Weird.
Yeah, it's sober, but is it really? It's like that.
Okay.
So yeah.
Yeah, that was really interesting. And then they tried like various weed
So this is on
marijuana.
YouTube?
Yeah, on YouTube.
Oh damn.
You don't know this?
I don't know this. This is interesting. I want to watch.
Same.
Yeah.
We'll watch it.
Even
I'll
that,
show
and I
They
can
also
never.
tried, like, weed infused thing. So they all three
fun.
of them before like Eugene left, they went to this place that like makes everything
Fun kya bol rahi?
with marijuana infused in it.
Might.
And like,
पता नहीं.
and like as in when they keep getting a level up, like every meal up, the percentage of marijuana in it increases, and the last is dessert.
Oh.
And that's when they all go berserk.
वो क्यों बोल रही है? वो बोली.
Oh.
OPQI.
But you know what? I can't miss an episode on Try Guys. Is Keith Eats Everything. I'll have to watch.
I love
will
Keith.
have
Keith
to
is
I
my
love
favorite.
Keith is my
I
favorite.
love
Then
Keith.
comes
Keith.
Zach.
Zach.
Then
Eugene. And
That's
then
then
Ned.
Guys,
just Eugene.
guys.
Yeah,
No
fuck
one
Ned.
else.
Which is
Ah.
Zach?
Yeah.
Zach कौन सा वाला है?
Zach
is
is the
Chashma.
short.
South Asian.
Chashma.
Small.
No, that's
Small
Who
Eugene.
looks like Mike Ross. a
South
little
Asian
bit.
is Eugene.
Eugene. Okay.
He's not South
He's
Asian.
very-
He's Asian.
Asian. He's very hot.
Eugene's hot. He's gay.
Eugene's hot.
Eugene's gay.
Yeah, I can
He's gay. Are you mad? How do you not
Did
know
you
this? He has a
not
whole
know?
like boy. I think he has a husband.
Yeah,
He has a
Boyfriend.
Yeah. ये मेरे साथ ही होता है.
उन लोगों ने
Your gaydar
Oh
is so bad.
God. Oh my God. Can we literally give this in, please?
Yeah, why not? No one
Please.
knows anything. What
Yeah,
you're
nobody
talking
knows
about.
anything.
But
Exactly.
yeah. So Eugene left because he's producing a film now.
Oh.
So yeah, that's why he wanted to dedicate a lot of his time to like but
I
he
love
said
how
that
creative Zach is.
Yeah.
Zach always has good
Yeah.
ideas for the channel.
Bro, I love how all of them have their own individuality and
Yeah.
it shows.
Yeah.
You know, and
Besharam when.
but yeah, so it's not like Eugene has completely left. He'll come on like for a couple of
Guest
episodes as guest
episode.
appearance.
Oh.
So
I
yeah, but
hope
like
they revive the
without a
without
recipe.
The recipe, yeah.
I look forward to it. Christmas time.
Christmas time, they make
Same.
so much.
Yeah,
good
something
stuff.
similar along these lines used to be done. Something similar used to be done by Tanmay Bhatt during lockdown. Bro, I have lived in his house practically
Yes.
in lockdown.
Yes.
Wow. Okay.
Bro,
You broke it.
their vlogs were so fucking good. Each day, he would want
You
to try
know,
something different.
He hasn't released the vlog 100 till date.
I am waiting.
He has
for it.
99 vlogs.
No, he has more than that. But he said vlog 100 could special hoga.
Ha.
And I think now he's reached
And
So he
vlog.
went from 99 to 101.
Yeah.
Yeah, bro.
Oh, okay.
उसका vlog 69 उसका birthday था. उसके
Bro,
flatmates
that's so
ने
smart.
wait उसके flatmates ने उसकी शादी करा दी.
Yeah.
उसके flatmates ने एक inflatable doll लाई,
हाँ,
sex doll
shit.
लाई.
Yup. They called his mom over.
They called his mom over.
मंडप बनाया पूरा पंडित
उसको
लाया
ऐश्वर्या
setup
पता है
किया.
तुम लोग को ऐश्वर्या मोहन राज.
Yeah.
उसने
बोलने
अपना
वाली थी स्कूल वाली.
shout out to ऐश्वर्या.
Feature होगी वो.
उसने अपना लहंगा लेके आई, वो डॉल को पहनाया,
Oh,
डॉल
yeah.
का नाम डॉलवती रखा था. तन्मय वेड्स डॉलवती. इनविटेशन कार्ड्स बनाए थे, खाना रखा था.
Bro, full on.
Full
Full on.
proper शादी किया
तन्मय
था.
की बारात भी निकली थी, I think,
उसकी
you know,
बारात भी
basement
निकली थी.
parking के वहाँ पर. Everything, it was
Very funny, very funny. I think
Crazy.
you
I want to
you
live
guys-
like that.
Yeah,
And
I
then there
know.
is one more vlog in which the choo choo vlog. That has to be my favorite. So there are like these 4 guys who live in this house together.
Yeah.
There's Tanmay, Naveed, Akash, 5 actually. Akash,
Akash Gupta?
No, none of Akash.
Aishwarya Mohan Raj's husband.
Akash.
Oh,
Akash.
before marriage. he
Yeah,
was
yeah,
celeb.
yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
Yeah,
okay.
yeah,
What?
Revant and Raghav.
Revant
Yeah,
and
yeah.
Raghav.
I-
These 5
I
guys.
find
Yeah.
Raghav to be the most funniest.
Raghav has to be the funniest.
I love Raghav.
He's their
Not
scapegoat.
Tanmay.
He's their scapegoat.
No, like Tanmay, obviously, but like from the
He's
other.
their scapegoat, bro. तो वो लोग कुछ भी करते थे ना, तो राघव ऐसा आके जोक किल कर देता था मेरे जैसे.
I was about to say.
Yeah.
Accept it.
So the thing with Srishti is that we will have a good riff. Like we'll have
Yeah,
a
yeah.
riff
We're
of each
adding on
other's
our
energy.
jokes.
We're adding on jokes, and then Srishti
will
feels
come
the
As
need to
soon as
speak.
she opens her mouth, we know joke खत्म हो
मतलब
गया.
सृष्टि बीच में आके हक देगी.
Yeah.
Beach में.
मतलब
Yes.
साफ भी नहीं करेगी वो, वहीं पर पड़ा रहेगा और हम घूरेंगे उसको, बास आ रही है, उस पे मक्खी बैठ गई है, नहीं हम साफ ही नहीं करेंगे, वो टट्टी वहीं पर है.
She'll let it marinate there.
Yeah.
Before other ones coming.
तो वो
And she
राघव
accepted
ना-
also.
Yeah.
हाँ मैंने आ गया.
तो वो राघव ना उसको कुछ भी बोलते हैं ना, तो उनका बहुत मस्त बालकनी था, बहुत बड़ा ब्यूटीफुल
They have a
बालकनी
huge
था.
house now.
हाँ.
It's like a
तो-
duplex.
तो तन्मय
Oh.
उसको बोलता था जाके कूद. तो he used to like pretend to jump ऐसा, और वो वीडियो वहाँ पे खत्म होता था. Where he's like
Oh, okay,
pretending
okay,
to
okay,
jump.
okay.
And it
Very
was like-
David Dobrik feels like.
Oh,
Yeah.
I never
Yeah.
watched. I never watched David
I watched
Dobrik.
a couple
Me
of
neither.
them.
I never watched
I
it.
watched some of his vlogs when he was with Liza Kush.
That's all, yeah.
same,
On
same,
Liza's
same,
channel.
Same.
Not on his
And
own.
then there was this choo-choo table vlog. Okay, so
Choo-choo
Akash-
pool, right?
choo-choo table.
What?
Choo-choo pool.
हाँ, inflatable वाला.
Inflatable choo-choo pool. So Akash went on to Amazon and he's like कि बारिश हो रही है. नहीं बारिश हो रही है या गर्मी का टाइम था, like summer to rainy season transition वाला टाइम था. He's like मैं मंगाऊंगा एक inflatable bathtub.
हाँ, choo-choo bathtub.
Choo-choo bathtub.
Choo-choo bathtub.
And he paid like 3,000-4,000 for that, and he
Yeah.
expected it to be like a, हम लोग बचपन में कैसा inflatable ऐसा
वो
बड़ा
बड़ा
pool
था.
ऐसा-
It could fit
ऐसा-
one grown man at least in it.
हाँ.
Yeah.
तो ये ऐसा इत्तू सा था, ऐसा इत्तू सा, ये टेबल जितना,
हाँ, बस.
It's quite big.
Not
but-
that width, that length.
just the length.
The
Oh.
width would be like half of it.
Half of it. And then they were like,
It's like a bucket.
No, it's like
no, it's
this
like
big
this
thing.
No, I
rectangle.
understood, but like that's as big as like a bucket where you like laundry, like that kind of a bucket, you know?
No, it was
Okay.
inflatable. So you had
No.
to like
Size.
No.
no.
This is
you're not
longer.
getting it.
From there to there, it's
फिर-
quite long. It's not you won't take this to
Yeah.
laundry, no?
फिर उसमें पहले हवा भरा, फिर उसके बाद सब लोग गाली दे रहे थे उसको कि क्या है ये, क्या लेके आया. नवीद तो बहुत गाली दिया था.
हाँ.
फिर एक पॉइंट के बाद ही वाज लाइक, ये कैसा है ये, मैं ट्राई करता हूँ. मैं फिर वो खुद से जाके पानी भर रहा था. एंड नवीद इज अ क्यूटी, आई फकिंग लव नवीद.
Yeah.
एंड देन उसने पूरा उसमें पानी भरा और घंटों तक उसमें ही बैठा रहा.
भाई एक तो
आप
उनका पाइप
मंगाया?
was so लंबा from their bathroom to their balcony. It took almost 3 to 4 hours for like the
Yeah.
bathtub to
बाप
fill
रे.
halfway through. And we're like,
I
भाई
can
छोड़.
imagine if
जितना
you
भरा
watch
उतना.
all this during lockdown, like you are going to have a big relationship with these people.
Yeah.
Definitely.
And I like that. I really love that. Admire that about YouTube because
Same.
it's people making content. It isn't a director.
Yeah.
It isn't an actor acting
Yeah.
and getting paid for it. It doesn't feel like they're getting paid. They're just doing it out of the kindness of their heart. They want to entertain you. I really
Yeah.
like that.
Yeah.
So wait, I had a question. Why didn't he post his 100th vlog yet?
Because he's
He
waiting.
wants to do something very
Something
special,
crazy.
crazy.
And how long
Maybe
has it
he'll
been?
actually get married
Um,
on his 100th.
I
So he
don't
really
know.
wants to go ham on that.
Go ham on that
wants to
vlog.
go crazy on
Yeah,
that.
because he
Yeah.
never wanted to start a vlog channel or anything like that.
And
Somebody
he-
किसी ने उसको बोला कि शुरू करके देख, चल रहा है अच्छा चलेगा तो कर, नहीं चल रहा है तो छोड़ देना.
He's
And that's how we started with
the
this
best
uh,
vlog
channel.
I think the vlog that blew up the most was the one where he met Ritviz and Divine at an after party
Yeah.
of Zomato. So
Yeah.
he was like in the he was backstage with Ritviz and everything, and he was like for a moment he was like very close to the stage. So he was recording Ritviz and he was like, यही गाना कब से बजा रहा है, बाल को क्या
हाँ.
कलर किया है.
Bro, Ritviz के सारे गाने same ही तो होता है.
But even in his
वही.
outro or like his intro or something, Ritviz का गाना ही बचता है.
Because AIB
Are
was
they
the
very
one.
close friends?
No, because AIB was the one to launch Ud Gaye.
Yeah,
Ud Gaye is AIB's production.
I didn't know that.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
AIB has done like
Yeah, I
good.
Quite something.
yeah, quite something.
I-
I agree.
I love AIB, bro. Like honest Indian weddings,
Yes.
honest Indian house parties. The
Right.
character's name, then that app wala also. If apps on your mobile phone could speak.
Yeah.
that was also crazy
Malika Dua
observation.
का एक
Crazy
मैंने देखा था.
observation.
ये
वही वो
AIB
Tinder
का
दी थी ना?
हाँ,
हाँ,
वो एक
Tinder
मैंने
दी
देखा
थी.
मैंने. I was not a fan of AIB
Hmm.
because again I felt like this content was too inappropriate for me to watch. Even the name itself, you know, All
Yeah,
India
all India
Bakchod.
Bakchod.
मुझे लगा मैं कुछ गलत ही कर रही हूँ. I don't know. I somewhere feel like maybe I should not have been such a fool.
Yeah.
But I have to give credit where credit is due. YouTube and YouTubers, everything I know now, every skill that I have gained from YouTube in some way, shape, or
Same,
form. You can
same.
say that, yeah, I'm self-taught or whatever, but mostly it's YouTube. I don't
Yeah.
usually take any classes of the thing that I
Yeah,
like or anything.
Bro, studies के लिए भी YouTube किया
It's
है हमने.
Yeah.
one
अरे भाई,
Studies मैंने income tax पूरा YouTube से किया है.
by 12th standard
70
math
years.
was my YouTube.
Bro, I remember in college when we had to study like so many poems during like exams and stuff. YouTube पे poem डालो, तुमको पूरा synopsis
Bro,
बता
JC
रहे,
में-
तुम सुन लो, and you know the entire poem through and through.
Yeah.
10 minutes of work.
FY
That was so
में तुझे
convenient.
याद है जो भी पोएम होती थी हम जाते ही नहीं थे और
Exactly.
एक बंदा में मिला था वो बहुत हॉट था याद है
Yeah,
हम लोग उसकी वीडियो देखते थे क्योंकि वो सही दिखता था वो उसका 15 मिनट का वीडियो होता था अच्छा सिनॉप्सिस मिलता था और वो दिखता मस्त था मैं वो
मजा भी आ रहा है.
यूजुअली 2x स्पीड पे सारा देखती थी इसका थोड़ा स्लो देखती थी मैं
0.5.
0.5.
थोड़ा सेक्सी सा था वो बहुत हॉट था I really
Even like Excel, now I use Excel at work a lot. तो मैंने पूरा YouTube से सीखा है. मतलब crazy हो गया.
One, it's a search engine in itself.
Yeah,
Second
yeah.
of all, whatever you want, it's
Bro,
there.
I learned about like car signs and like engine failures and thing. Like if
I learned
this,
driving
I learned.
Like, एक second. So before I went for my
ये
first
मत
class,
बोला
I
कर
wanted to, I wanted to like not be very clueless. So one night before I said how to drive a stick in India or whatever, some Indian guy just showed me like what everywhere, like what is where, like where what is, and then I was a little bit more like, okay, I can
You
do
knew
this
something.
now. Yeah, I
Yeah,
I
yeah,
know something.
okay,
When he
yeah.
says gear, like what do I thought handbrake was good. Like I was
Hey.
very dumb.
Oh.
Hey, bhai.
Oh.
अभी I know ना, अभी I know.
thank you.
अभी license से बताओ क्या? License बताना चाहिए था. What's in my bag? था
Yes.
मेरे पास.
Same.
तेरे को तो नहीं आती चल लाइसेंस कैसे मिला?
Of course आती है मुझे देते
आती
नहीं है.
आती है.
मुझे देते नहीं है.
हाँ, I agree.
Yeah.
टॉय कार चला.
तो वही मेरे nieces and nephews की चोरी करके वही वो
अरे भाई, you're back to stealing stuff.
वही एक मेकअप जो भी आता है मुझे वो मेकअप यूट्यूबर्स उससे मेरा बहुत दिल टूटा है. How to make food I learned, how to bake. There is one gay YouTuber who bakes. His name is Preppy Kitchen. I don't actually know his name.
I love Preppy Kitchen.
I love his kitchen.
I love Preppy Kitchen.
Okay, she's literally up. Nerve is popping. It's fine.
Oh shit.
He's just
No, I used to be, there was this time where I was like obsessed with him.
so Preppy Kitchen, chocolate cupcakes, chocolate sheet cake, red velvet. Like these recipes are really
his
good.
Tres leches.
Tres leches. No, it actually like I've tried these.
मैं
I've
नहीं खा
tried these.
सकती.
मत खाओ
Tres
भाई.
leches की बात
देख,
नहीं
सिर्फ
कर रही हूँ. देख तू.
It's so pleasing to watch.
The thing is that his aesthetic, his kitchen,
his kitchen.
What's his name again?
Preppy Kitchen.
Preppy Kitchen.
It's he makes like sweet and savory food, and even the savory is like just.
Ooh.
I've never
Then-
made any of them, but it's so pleasing to
You
watch.
remember
Like,
Bon Appetit, Claire Saffitz?
the she wrote a book.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I have the book.
Oh shit, you do.
Two YouTubers book. YouTuber one
Wow.
dessert person. Yeah.
I
And I've
know her,
made,
I know
I've
her.
made cookies and I've made brownies out of that book. Cookies and brownies का तो recipe मुझे कहीं से भी मिल जाता. लेकिन ठीक है.
But like speaking of like bakers, I don't know if you know about this, but there's this lady called How to Cook That.
Oh,
I'm Anne Reardon and this.
I love her. I love her.
I still watch her.
love
Oh my god.
I still watch her.
Same. I love
So,
her. She's this
Australian.
Australian baker, and she makes like these elaborate.
debunking all the hacks.
Yeah, these are her recent videos, but like I've been watching
Yeah.
her for like a couple of years
Same,
now, like
same, same,
6-7
same,
years now. Okay,
same,
I was in
okay.
school I think when I was to watch her.
Yeah.
And she used to make these elaborate desserts. Like she'll make a handbag. You know these hyper realistic cakes?
Yeah,
She
yeah,
used to make
yeah.
it back in the day. So she
Yeah.
made this like
Yo.
pink handbag. She used to make like giant Ferrero Rochers,
Giant chocolate.
series.
Giant lemonade
Kat.
cake.
And she would, you know how
Go
it was
crazy,
for
crazy.
entertainment, but at the end, in like
Yes.
5 minutes, she used to donate them.
She used to
Yeah.
donate it to
For
good
whatever
causes.
cause.
And,
Oh,
and
yeah.
my favorite one would be the watermelon cake.
Mhm.
That
Watermelon
was the best
remember.
she made.
She
Like the-
colored it with like
Yeah.
yes,
You
yes,
know,
yes.
Anne
yeah.
Reardon did that, and then a lot of YouTubers started copying them, and Shane Dawson was one of them. He made a
Really?
giant Kit Kat. He did make
Really?
a giant Kit Kat, yeah. And then he was making these like milkshakes and shit. He did that.
Oh my
I'm
god, did you all
Raiden.
watch this
I'm
one?
Anne Reardon, and
This
then-
one
Yeah.
old woman with, I think, her grandson or something. They used to make like a lot of food
Okay.
and then like sell and like give it to
Needy.
the people in the village and everything. I think it's called the Food Village or something. I don't remember.
Okay.
But yeah, like she used to make a bada sa
Huge
kadhai
amounts
mein-
of food and then
Yeah,
give it
like
to
like
people.
Surti
anything
cooks.
and everything. Like she's made Maggie.
like that Surti cooks. no?
That lady, you know,
That
she
lady,
yeah,
I
I
know.
know.
There's
Yeah,
this
like
one
that.
guy, Matt
Massive
Stoney, if you
respect.
guys know.
Yeah, we
Matt
used to
Stoney,
eat.
Yeah, yeah.
He used
yeah.
to eat this copious amounts of food in
Yeah.
like very little
Challenges.
time, and I used
Yeah.
to love
I
watch
used to
that.
love this
because
one,
he didn't do chewing stuff.
Yeah, the
Yeah,
ice
yeah,
cream
yeah.
sundae. Do you remember that? That went
I
very
remember
viral.
this one. He ate like this big bowl of chips, and his mouth had cuts in them.
Oh.
Because obviously he was eating
Yeah.
potato chips.
He
That
also
is
ate like a
terribly-
Yeah,
fuck ton of
fried rice.
no spicy noodles.
But yeah, I remember seeing this like ice cream sundae thing, and he put like
Yeah,
gummy
yeah, yeah, yeah.
bears
He
and like
put
chocolate
such a
sticks
ton of
and
stuff
like
on it.
there was mint, strawberry, and vanilla ice cream, and there was like it was a huge bowl of it. And
Yeah.
he just like ate. He finished it.
Yeah, that was.
I don't
he was
know how
a
they
he was
do
a
that.
competitive eater.
Yeah. But
Yeah.
yeah, that was
Bhook lag gayi.
That was
fun,
something, man.
Yeah.
That was
YouTube
something.
it will always have a very like soft
Special. Yeah.
corner in my heart.
I agree.
And to think that we are on YouTube now.
Never
Yeah,
thought of it,
actually.
but whoa.
Crazy.
No, I did think of it actually. I thought of it every single day.
I used to look at my camera. No, my mirror.
Mirror.
And I
I
used
used
to
to do
pretend.
it subconsciously when I used to make something at
No, I
night.
still do it. I made coffee today and I was
But-
talking
yeah.
to
I
Manal
anyways talk
Magic.
to myself, and
Now
then
we're gonna froth the milk.
even when I'm making my bed, I do it. So now we're gonna put our pillow to the side. Fold out that sheet. keep it.
So
on the side.
I am lactose intolerant, but I am going to add this cheese because I choose to believe
I
that
choose to believe.
I choose to believe
that I will poop my guts out.
Yeah.
I choose to believe that they're bored.
Yeah.
No, I'm having.
I
fun.
don't think
I'm
they're
having
bored.
fun.
I'm having fun.
This was
so are
fun.
They.
Yeah.
So yeah.
No, but
You better
honestly,
have
guys,
fun.
if you want us to try out any of those like YouTube challenges,
Oh yeah.
Please,
yeah.
let us
Do
know in
let
the
us know in the
Wouldn't
comments
mind
below.
doing that.
DM
We
us.
would
Do whatever.
love doing
yeah.
that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So yeah, if you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, comment down below what you'd like to see us doing next. And don't forget to follow us on Instagram at We Are Besharam. And if you're listening to us on any of the audio streaming platforms, don't forget to follow us on there as well. We'll see you all next time. Until then,
Stay
Stay
Besharam.
Besharam.
Bye.